Yo, this is Cat Rap and Billy Bob too. We make up the Cat Rap crew. In case you didn't already knew, see, Cat Rap writes the lyrics because she's wise way beyond her years. And if you listen to her, she'll help you let go of all your fears. Cat Rap was born with wisdom. She can't put into words, but she's too shy and feels misunderstood. But Billy Bob is the chosen one. He is the mouth. Go ahead and have a seat and check us out. Cat Rap is rapping to you all here today about the end times coming our way. How many of you have heard or seen the chemtrails up in the sky? It's nano-aluminum they're dropping like pesticide. Or have any of you heard watch Jesse Ventura FEMA camps, parts 1, 2, and 3? And even if you're watching, it's so hard to believe. See, they are like concentration camps built for me and you. It depends which color dot. But no matter which, we're all doomed. Scumbag.